Fast-moving fire blasts through a house in North Austin shortly after daybreak this morning. We just learned the cause was accidental, and the homeowners told Gigi Barnett it was the smoke, not the flames, that put them most at risk. She has that story you'll only see on KXAN.
I've learned quite a few lessons. Store things where they need to be stored.
The other big lesson for Shannon Johnson: beware of the smoke in a house fire. The test came this morning shortly after 7 a.m. when her house on Mountain Quail Road in North Austin caught fire. Black smoke and confusion came billowing in as she tried to get out through her bedroom door.
The smoke just was coming and coming and coming because I'd opened that door. And, you know, my little kid training set in and I dropped down.
Before she knew it, her husband Matt was pulling her out of their bedroom window. They and their teenage son Eric were safe. The house was not. It has at least $100,000 in damage. But Johnson says the smoke, which could lead to carbon monoxide poisoning, may have caused the most harm.
The biggest mistake I made was opening that stupid door.
Firefighters say a cigarette sparked the blaze.
The cat was running around me. I'm 99.9% sure I put it out.
When medics arrived, they examined the family and discovered that Shannon and her husband Matt had 8 times the normal amount
of carbon monoxide in their bodies.
Mine was like at a 16, and he was like at a 19, and regular is like a 2. The smoke is no joke. It came so fast.
Lesson learned. In North Austin, I'm Gigi Barnett, KXAN News.
Medics rushed Johnson to a nearby hospital after the fire because they had inhaled too much carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is called the silent killer because it is colorless, odorless gas. Signs of exposure include flu-like symptoms, headaches, fatigue, nausea, and dizziness.